So we've done a few repairs to reinforce the stitching or replace the stitching for these spine attachments to the main part of the canopy. This is the inside, so we've done those 3 like this. So this thick doubled over seam, this is the part of the canopy that slides into the window frame and holds the canopy to the face of the Jeep. So this had come apart in a few places, had been split. So this has been repaired. You see the stitching on here and in the front as well, like this. And also these spots here, which were starting to come unstitched, just with the flapping of the canopy in the breeze. So these have all been doubled up. Reinforcing triangles have been stitched back together. Again, the seams across the back here had to be reinforced because they were pulling apart. Seam at the back, it's not perfect because the tape isn't available, but we've restitched that, and this is the top. Okay, so he's missed another spot there, so that's more work. That's work that needs to be redone. In the meantime, we've had some issues with the repair of the canopy. It's not in very bad condition, but the wind has loosened quite a bit of stitching, so it just needs to be sewn back together. But it is very heavy canvas, and there does not seem to be anyone in our city that has a sewing machine capable of resewing that, so it's having to be done by hand, and the chap that we had do that has been very slow and missed a whole bunch of places, so we've wasted time taking it there, bringing it back, washing it, finding the poorly repaired spots, and taking it back to be repaired a second time. So a lot of time wasted there. Okay, so cooking lessons for today. Wax. Okay, some fire, we got some wax. We have our brush. So we're going to start with the seams and give it a good heavy coat, because it's usually the seams that are leaking the worst. So the wax is setting or drying pretty fast because of course the canvas is cold, so we're not really getting much penetration while we're doing this. That will come later. Remember, once we get the secondary heat on this, then that also changes everything. Yeah, once we start putting the second heat on this, then it will all get pulled in, so that doesn't matter too much. Okay, so our weapon is one regular household. Well, there's nothing regular about our household, but a normal household would use a normal hairdryer. We have such a hairdryer, and we're going to use that to melt the wax that we painted on to the seams, to draw it into the canvas. So hit it, maestro. Our repair jobs, which did finally get done a bit better. Okay, more wax. Yes.
No, it's really.
Yeah, so there we go. We've got our wax already melting. You can see the sheen on it. Now that the heat pulls it into the canvas. The brush to help the wax melt into the fabric, and it will come all the way through underneath because the wax will be attracted by the heat. So here we are again, doing the jobs of people that were paid to do them and didn't. So we've still got these small spots on the canvas that aren't solidly sewn together, and now we're going to repair them.
Really, not properly.
Yeah, really, you have to be blind to be able to miss that. Stop and put the cover on. Just like that, down came the rain. Good timing, huh?
That's good.
Yeah, it was good timing.